Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi 15 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So we will begin with removing the account because that's quite tricky. So let's first of all open the settings. We have to scroll down and go to the Google. I just wanted to show that we are logged in, and to be honest, we have no idea. I mean, we do not have any option here to remove our account. As you can see, we can only give feedback, open help, etc. And here we can add another account. That's not what we want to do. So to remove the Google account, we have to go back to the settings and go to additional settings. Then let's scroll down and tap on Accounts and Sync. And as you can see here, we've got another section connected with our accounts. So just tap on this Google account. As you can see, this is the account with which we are logged in this Google section. So now let's tap on More and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. So as I said, this operation is quite tricky. If you wish to add the account, you can either do it here, so in the Accounts and Sync, or you can go back to this Google section and tap on Sign In or Log In, whatever says there. So just tap on Add Account and choose Google. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. All right, and tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. All right, we've got the password, so let's tap on Next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. So here we can decide whether we want to backup device data. It's up to you, just mark the option and then tap on Accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account. Of course, we can go back and check it here. And as you can see, we are logged in. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.